Oh no. That's why, you know what, that book's gonna die soon and you're not gonna be able to read it anymore. And when it's all torn up, Pop-Pop's gonna be very sad. No, I don't want that page. No, Mommy's walking away. Nope. That page can never go back in there now. I don't say thank you when I tear up a book. Why are you doing that?